If you're looking to optimize your website for voice search in order to reach more customers using voice assistants, this video is going to give you 3 simple tips to improve your voice search rankings from SEO experts who help rank blog articles from day to day. And in the end, we're going to give you a secret SEO tool to do SEO easily. So stick right to the end of this video.
The FAQ segment or optimization. So if you have a greater level of FAQ embedded into your content, so it will greatly impact your VSO search presence on the like on the mobile devices. This is one of segment like FAQ is very vital. So in order to appear for the VSO, you need to appear for certain related searches as well, so that you can consider your particular position on the SEO.
We need to make sure our website is user friendly, and we need to implement the mobile friendly pages. So for that, we need to check in the Google mobile friendly tool whether the pages are mobile friendly or not. After that, in user friendly, we need to make sure our website is secure. For that, we need to add HTTPS SSL certificate on our website.
And apart from that, the schema is other part as well. So if you specifically optimize a certain body content with the schema portion in order to get that particular portion to be appeared on the SERP, so it is well proven. I have managed to rank my own website in the Google SERP feature snippet.
The secret tool for today is Simplified SEO. It is an AI-powered SEO tool that can help you create a full blog post based on a specific keyword. It provides real-time suggestions on how to make your blog rank against other blogs. It helps you identify profitable keywords, and it identifies issues on a page that can hinder its ranking potential. So you don't need to work and think much about your SEO. This tool does the job for you. If this video was helpful, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Well, if you just did that, then check out how I use AI prompts to write professional SEO content.